7 best meals for type 1 diabetes. Eat smart, stay strong. If you have type 1 diabetes, then you already know every bite matters. But here's the real question. What if your daily meals could actually help you balance your blood sugar naturally? Sounds amazing, right? Stay with me till the end, because meal number 7 is a complete life changer. It's delicious, filling, and perfect for diabetics. Hey everyone, welcome back. Managing type 1 diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy good food. It's all about making smart meal choices. Meals that keep your blood sugar steady and your energy high. So let's go through the top 7 meals that are both tasty and diabetes friendly. Meal number 1, oatmeal power breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts, chia seeds, and berries. Oats release energy slowly, so your blood sugar rises gently, not sharply. And those berries? They're packed with antioxidants that protect your cells. Tip: add a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's known to improve insulin sensitivity. Meal number 2, quinoa and veggie salad. For lunch, go for a quinoa salad with cucumber, tomato, olive oil, and lemon juice. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein, and keeps you full for hours. Unlike white rice, it doesn't spike your sugar levels. It's light, fresh, and keeps your energy stable all afternoon. Meal number 3, grilled chicken with veggies. Here's a classic, filling meal: grilled chicken with broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. It's rich in protein and fiber, the perfect combo for controlling blood sugar. If you're vegetarian, swap chicken for tofu or paneer. It works just as well. Meal number 4, comforting lentil soup. Dinner time calls for something warm and easy to digest. A bowl of lentil soup. Lentils are full of fiber and protein, which helps slow down sugar absorption. Add a handful of spinach or kale for extra nutrients and flavor. Meal number 5, Greek yogurt snack. When hunger hits between meals, skip the chips. Grab plain Greek yogurt with chia seeds. It helps balance sugar and keeps your gut healthy. Add a few strawberries if you want natural sweetness. Meal number 6, whole grain wrap. Need something quick and easy? Make a whole grain wrap with grilled veggies, avocado, and boiled egg or chicken strips. It's perfect for lunch on the go, full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Meal number 7, salmon with brown rice and veggies. And finally, the super meal: grilled salmon with brown rice and steamed vegetables. It's rich in omega-3 fats that protect your heart and reduce inflammation. This meal not only stabilizes blood sugar, but also improves overall health. Remember, managing diabetes isn't about avoiding food. It's about choosing meals that work for you, not against you. Eat balanced, eat smart, and your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more health tips every week.